for some more. It ain't nothing to be taken serious. We just having fun. Rise and shine, get something to eat. Rice with a little mayonnaise and a whole lot of meat. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? You think that I'm playing? Chicken, lamb, beef, or fish filleting. Yeah, cause later on it's a party over here. Green bottles everywhere, you know we don't give a care. Yeah, smell the food in the air. Y'all go to the party, kinda hungry, meet you there. But for real, it ain't even funny. The reason I'm not going is because I have no money. Got a joke side, I just need to find somebody. Cause tonight, la-di-da-di, we like to party.
Put your hands up, can you put your hands up? Get your hands up, so put your hands up. On my side, more people, put your hands up. Party on, come on, put your hands up. Put your hands up, can you put your hands up? Get your hands up, so put your hands up. On my side, more people, put your hands up. Party on, come on, put your hands up.
Everybody look like they having fun. I looked at my watch, man, and it's already 1. People still coming, yeah, it's gonna be a packed house. Harper Light boys got it popping like a pack house. People's on the left drinking liquor by the gallons.